Hello, hello. How you doing? Once again, sharing value content information with you. Hopefully you're doing all right and you're good. So, have you ever been frustrated that your networking business isn't getting the type of result you are expecting by this time now? This live video I'm gonna help you find a different approach, okay? So you can have a better result. I call it the how to use the reverse invite method to get your prospect to invite themselves to take a look at your business. Very important. So join me and submit your question to create new content for next week based on your request. Okay, cool. So this is the topic for tonight. Is on how to use the reverse invite method. So my name is Raul Marin. If you're watching me for first time, please drop me a line. Where you from? Any question that you have right now, drop me a line. I help entrepreneurs like you building your network marketing business 100% online. Cool. So if you're ready to do the switch to 100% online, drop me a question, ask me a question, and start chatting right now. Cool. All right. So content is about the reverse invite method. So this is a different approach because the traditional way to do marketing is sale. We were talking about that the other day. This approach is different because first you provide value to your customer. Remember, there's a lot of people out there looking for an opportunity that you may have right now. But if you start pushing selling your product first, selling your protein shake or something like that, people will run away from you. Okay, so this is a different approach where you first provide value to your prospect. Remember, we're talking on a cold market. We're talking to a cold market, people that doesn't know you. These people, they haven't seen you ever before. They never seen you before. So why you think cold market people from Facebook or from any social media will buy a product from you that people don't know who you are, people don't know what you're selling. So why those people have to buy from you? With so many options out there, why will people buy from you? Okay, and this is the difference. If you provide value first before the sale, people will look at you differently. Okay, people will think like, this person helping me to improve my business and getting results, so I'm gonna continue following his fan page, his blogs, his ads, and that way you gain the prospect. And now it's a warm market, and possible can switch to a new team member in the future. Okay, that will also cut the percentage of people coming to your business from the cold market. Okay, remember, in the traditional way of marketing, you maybe have 1 or 2 people interest per every 10 that you do the presentation. That's the 80-20% rule, right? Have you ever heard about that? Cool. This is the way that you can improve your percentage and make, let's say, 7 or 8 people out of 10 will be interested in what you're showing them. This is the way. This is the secret. Cool. Okay. So when you apply the reverse invite method. People will invite themselves to take a look at your business. Let's say when you start providing value to your community, to your new people, to your core market, people will start thinking like, hey, I want to keep looking what this guy's gonna tell me. Cool. And people will start asking you, hey, do you have any more products? Do you have any more? Can I join your team? Any other question, right? So this is the way that you can improve your percentage. Cool? Great. So if you're watching me live, drop me a line. If you're watching me on a replay later, say replay. Okay, cool. So if you're in the traditional marketing, let's say door-to-door, hotels and houses meeting, and one-to-one presentation and all that, that's great. There's a lot of people making results and making a lot of money that way. But you know me, if you don't know me yet, this is how I roll. I roll 100% online, okay? Because I was there already. I already passed it. I was there knocking doors, doing flyers, doing house and hotels meeting for years. And all my team quits. And I say, you know, right now I got 2 kids. I had to work, I have a regular job. And I still have to build my business. But now I'm doing it 100% online, like this way. In my house, talking to you, live video, doing blogs, doing advertising, doing funnels, sales funnels, okay? Without leaving my house, taking time out of my family, and from my house. Actually, everywhere I travel, I can bring my laptop and start typing some advertising or posting or doing live video, and people will keep continuing approaching me. How can I join your team? Asking me questions. How can I run my business 100% online? All these questions, because I'm giving them value first. Okay, that's the secret. That's the secret sauce. So I'm gonna give you something very cool. Let's try it. You and me. If you are trying to switch your business from traditional to 100% online, and you feel stuck right now, like I'm in right now in a spot that I need more help, that you may need help. If you're stuck right now doing this transition, drop me a line. Let me know your question, because there's a lot of people coming in this community right now. We're already passing the 2,500s. So there may be a lot of people with the same question that you have. It's possible about blogs or about funnels or about any other situation, how to start a fan page, how can I attract people to my business, any question that you feel stuck right now, and you're trying to move your business 100% online, drop me right here. Write your question in the comment section. Let me know what your question is, and I'm gonna make a live video answering your question, because this way I may answer your question on a live video, but I also may help more people in your same situation. And this is what I want to create on this community is engagement, okay? Engaging between you and me. If you have any question, feel free to ask. I'm gonna make my best to answer you, okay? And this way we can both grow together, okay? It's not about trying to sell you something. I'm not trying to say, you don't even know in what network marketing I am right now, because I don't talk about my products. I don't talk about my protein shake or travel kit or fancy car. I don't do that. I'm trying to help you in your team, in your community, in your company. If you want to try more people to your business, this is the way to do it. Okay. So if you feel stuck right now, let me know your question. I'm gonna do a live video answering you. Okay. So I'll help you and the rest of the community at the same time. I'm gonna make a blog about it. I'm gonna make a live video about it, and I'm gonna create content around your question, okay, to provide solutions for you. So this is a great opportunity to have all your questions answered, okay? So I know that not everybody can be on live, and I want to make sure that I give you an opportunity to let me know what you would like me to cover if you can make it live, okay? I'm gonna try that, and I'm gonna try to do these open question each week, and I'll be doing posts like these, and I'll be taking questions on any topic where you need help to make your marketing business 100% online, okay? Cool, great. It's gonna be fun. So, if you need more questions, let me know. Drop me a line. And on the way out, go Saints this weekend. We're gonna win. We're gonna get the championship, and we're gonna go to the Super Bowl. That's how. We're very excited here in New Orleans. And also grab your free training, 10 days boot camp, 100% online. It is, did I say free? Yeah, free online training, 10 days boot camp. Grab it right now. It's on the test on the post. And also, if you drop me a line right here saying training, I want to take training, I'll send you the free link, so you can start attracting people to your business 100% online right now, okay? Cool. So I appreciate your time. Let me know your question. I'm gonna do a live video about it, and I'm gonna give you my best answer, okay? So if you feel stuck, let's break it. Let's go up. Let's rank up, okay? We're gonna grow together. Take care, and a happy weekend. I'll see you online. I'm gonna be working for the next value content video for next week. Okay, so have a good one, my friend. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.